Ang inahan ni Satanas, promise back na sa ombudsman. Teka, si Gwen Garcia pala. Ito kasi nabasa ko lang po to kay Dean Chase po. Sabi niya, Happy Mother's Day sa tanan, especially ni Gwendolyn Garcia, nga inahan ni Satanas. Hindi naman siguro. Gobernador ng Cebu, Governor Gwen Garcia. Ikaw naman. Ito po, rest back na naman ito. Matapos po, i-suspende po siya, parang 6 months ata, ng ombudsman, ay hindi po ito bumaba. Talagang due process daw, sabi ng Pangulo eh. Ay, sana all talaga may due process ha. At yung DILG, wala pa namang ginawa po dito, tungkol po dito sa suspension, kasi naghihintay po sila sa COMELEC, parang naghihintayan. Sa bagay, siguro, busy po sa eleksyon, di natin alam kung anong mangyari po pagkatapos ng eleksyon dito sa kanyang suspension. Pero bago yan, nako, eto na. Dito po, sa post na ito, nakalagay po dyan, Cebu Governor versus Ombudsman. Garcia / Martires with election offense. Sabi dito, suspended Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia. Suspended na pero andun pa rin sa opisina din naman niya. Hindi pa rin naman umalis. Suspended Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia has filed a complaint for election offense against Ombudsman Samuel Martires before the Commission on Election or COMELEC, alleging that the Tanod Bayan committed a serious violation of election law by issuing a preventive suspension against her at the height of the election period. In a 10-page complaint lodged with the COMELEC Law Department on May 7, 2025, Garcia alleged that Martires committed grave abuse of authority, gross misconduct, dishonesty, and negligence, citing violations of RA 6713 or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials. Martires was charged with violations of Rule 5, Sections 15 and 16 of the Omnibus Election Code and COMELEC Resolution 11059-11059, which prohibited the suspension of any local elective official with 90 days before an election. 90 days, mukhang 3 buwan yan bago mag-election, mukhang pasok nga. Pagalingan na lang po yan sila sa batas ngayon kung sino po yung paano nila iintindi yung batas o ipatupad. Unless prior approval is secured from COMELEC. Garcia also cited Article 22 Section 261 of Batas Pambansa 881 as one of her legal arguments in saying that suspending an elected official during this period constitutes an election of offense punishable by up to 6 years in prison. Naku, ombudsman, ikukulong nyo. Disqualification from public office and loss of voting rights under Republic Act 9006 in relation to Section 264 of the Omnibus Election Code. She is also slammed Martires by saying that charges against her lodged before the Ombudsman are purely administrative and do not fall under the ambit of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices, which is the only example that allows suspension during the election period. Nako, pabor ba kayo dito sa ginawa? Mahaba-haba pong paliwanag dito. Ayon po sa may pinagbasihan pong batas po, may pinagbasihan pong batas po itong inahan ng si Gwen Garcia. Ito naman kasi si Dinchis kung ano-ano yung pinapangalan dito kay Gwen Garcia eh. May mga nagsasabi pa nga na iba, wak-wak daw at kung ano-ano pa. Mukhang cute din naman si Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia eh. Cute, di ba?
Sana,
Magaling pa nga sumayaw yan. Yung sayaw niya na may kasamang ganon. Napanood nyo ba yun? Naku, doon ako natawa dyan. Tuwang-tuwa ako dyan pag sumayaw yan. May pag ganon-ganon ba? Talaga naman itong si Gwen Garcia. Ito po, malalaman po natin to pagkatapos ng eleksyon. Siguro naman hindi ko lang alam kung manalo po itong si Gwen Garcia ngayong eleksyon na to Pero mukhang lamang yung kalaban niya ngayon. Huwag lang magkaroon ng dayaan. Sana walang dayaan Kasi po dyan sa Cebu, marami po tayong kamag-anak po dyan. May mga nakakausap ako. Alam ko kung sino yung lamang. Alam ko kung sino yung gusto ng mga tao. Kung walang dayaan, nako, delikado ang wak-wak dyan.